Welcome back to iOS Institute of Scholars, where we make research simple and easy for you to navigate around. Now, today we'll be looking at Turnitin, how you can operate Turnitin, how you can use it to assess your similarities, plagiarism check, and AI check. So this is a simple way to go about it. You might be surprised that how do I end up at this page. What you just need to do is to go to your Google, type turnitin.com, then you are going to have a page where you are going to click on login. So when you have your login details here, the next thing you do is to log in here. So let's see. Okay, good. It's going to bring display this page for you. And as for you, a researcher or a final year student that just want to upload your your paper to check the similarity plagiarism check, you are going to go to this page. You can see where my cursor is, education. Click on that education. Once you click on education, it's going to display another thing for you. Now you can see what you have here. Once we click on education, you click on education, what we have here. Then you go to open. Click on open button. It's still loading. So when you click on open button, you end up being at this place. Then when you are here, what you just need to do, you can see that here is telling you 19% plagiarism. 19% plagiarism is still okay, but the one that we have a problem with is when you are having 30 upward. This will not give you green. Green still means you are still on the right track. So, but at the same time, it depends on your supervisor or your school requirements. Some school required the maximum of 30%, some require the maximum of 15, 20, 25%. But as for me, I think 90% is still okay. So if you want to upload your document, just go here. You can see resubmit paper. You can see display something like resubmit paper. Just click on it. So it's asking you to submit your paper, confirm. So let me look for any paper I want to submit. You can see that we have another page here. Just go to choose file. Choose file. Okay, let me see. Is there any paper here that I can literally work on? I don't want to waste our time. I will just pick this one, final year project. Okay, final year projects, final project, right? Let's see, it's loading. It's loading. It asks for confirmation. It asks for confirmation here. All right, the paper have submitted now. So this is 10% there. So let's check the details of this. So it's loading. So it wants to bring up the report now. Okay, you can see what we have here now. So 37% overall similarities. So, and it's going to highlight where the similarity is. So we are going to drop a video on how you can, on how you can read and understand the reports, all the reports here, the meaning of each report. So all this place that it is highlighted, it shows that they are, similarities in the work. So you can see all these things that is highlighted. So, okay. All right, so if you find the video useful for you, please follow us, subscribe to our channel. So very soon we'll drop or upload another videos on how you can access or understand what you need to do to reduce the similarities here. Thank you.